This box right here means a lot more than just a drone. 3 years ago, I sold my drone just to afford the fees for my Irish Medical Council registration. The drone that I loved, the drone that ignited the passion in me for making travel videos was gone. But today I bought the latest drone from DJI with just 3 days of my Irish salary. This is a full circle moment for me. When I sold my first drone, it honestly broke my heart. At that time, I told myself once I'll get stable, I'll buy even a better one. At that time, I didn't even know if I'd ever make it to Ireland. I didn't even know if my IMC would get approved. I didn't even know if I would ever get a job in Ireland. And I think that's the scenario with all of you. But everything worked out, and now sitting here in Ireland, I'm going to unbox this latest drone from DJI. It's not a gadget or it's a drone, it's a reminder that patience, sacrifice, and dreams do take time but happen. Okay, enough talking, let's unbox this beast. There is this green ribbon here. Here we go. Oh wow. Whole drone is in the bag. The box is empty. We'll just keep the box here. And this is the drone. This really feels premium. Oh. So yeah, you can see everything is inside it. Oh man, this is the drone. Oh wow. Oh, wow, look at the size, man. This is lighter than the workload on a post call house officer. Okay, so I think we'll keep it like this, and oh, that's the gimbal protector. And oh wow, let's oh wow, such a small drone. You can see. So we'll keep the drone here. And what else we have? Oh, this is the new RC2 controller. Oh wow. The screen feels solid, unlike the Wi-Fi in a hospital. Oh, so yeah, we have the joysticks here. My last drone was DJI Mavic Air, and that drone does not have a controller like that. So I used to mount my phone onto the controller, and the phone would be a display to see how I am flying. But this dedicated controller really feels good. Okay, let's see what else we have got here. So these are just some extra propellers here. Oh, 4 sets. This is the Type-C cable to charge it. This is probably the ND filter case. Oh wow, can you see? This is a 3 ND filters for the drone, just like a sunglasses. Oh, so this is probably the charging case. This is the fly more combo, so I have 2 extra batteries. So yeah, so this is the battery of the drone, this is the other battery, and the third battery is probably inside the drone. So that's it. The bag really feels solid. So the battery is fully discharged. I have to charge it, and yeah, that's the battery. I will charge all of these batteries and then I'll take my first flight. Okay, so as you can see, all the 3 batteries and the controller are charging. I'm charging both of these via this Anchor power bank that I bought recently, and this power bank is really useful for travel. This charges laptop, iPhone, everything. So I'm just seeing how it is performing. These 2 batteries are charging simultaneously. This is the charging brick in the Fly More combo, and this is the controller. And it's quite windy outside. Let's go and check. Okay, yeah, so it's cloudy and windy along with on and off rain going on here in Ireland, but I will definitely fly the drone and we'll see how it goes. So I have this table. This will be my helipad from now onwards. Yeah, I'm too excited to fly the drone from my apartment and we'll see how is the view from above. I press on it. As you can see, the battery is fully charged for the drone, and if I press the button here as well, it's fully charged for the controller as well. Okay, I'm going to turn up the drone and the controller. Oh yeah, it's turned on. Oh, look at that sound. This sound, I miss this sound. This is the sound of life getting better. Okay, so it is giving me instructions. Language is English. Next, terms and services, accept, agree, activate. So I'm going to activate my drone. So okay, now it is asking me to update the firmware. Update. DJI is really playing with my patience right now. Just want to fly it here. It's done. Oh, mine is DJI Mini 5 Pro. Okay. Yeah, so the drone is on. Oh, it's connected. So I have put the drone on its new helipad, and this is the controller, and the controller is giving me the view of the drone. Okay, so now let's take our first flight. Yay! Okay guys, first ever flight.
Take off.
This is the apartment I am living at the moment, and this is the first time I'm seeing it from the above. This is why I love drones. The world looks different from above. Peaceful, calm and organized. Kind of like how life feels when your hard work finally pays off. I just want to say something from the heart. Whatever you are struggling for right now, whatever you have sacrificed, it will pay off. Maybe not today, maybe not next month, but it will, I promise. For me, it took 3 years. But today, this drone is a symbol, a reminder that sacrifices are not losses, they are investments. Okay guys, successful, the drone is back and I'm done with my first ever flight. If you resonated with this video, hit the subscribe button to watch more videos like this. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey from Pakistan to Ireland and to sky again. See you in another video. Bye bye.